If Spotify keeps playing random songs, here are a couple of fixes you can try. First, check if Shuffle Play is enabled. Open Spotify and look at the music player controls. If the shuffle icon, which looks like two crossing arrows, is highlighted, tap it to turn it off. Once the icon turns gray, your songs will play in the exact order of your playlist instead of randomly. If Spotify is playing songs that are not even in your playlist, the issue is usually caused by Autoplay. To fix this, open Spotify and tap Home in the bottom corner. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner and open Playback. Scroll down until you find the Autoplay option. If it's enabled, turn it off. This prevents Spotify from automatically playing recommended or similar songs after your playlist ends. Once both Shuffle and Autoplay are disabled, Spotify should stop playing random songs and follow your playlist normally. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.